For example, in chemistry, they say more than 12 marks, 12 questions star has been given. Then if 150, 12 questions are wrong, whether the exam has to be sustained or not.
That has resulted in an artificial increase in the cutoff. That's my case. In the subject English, totally they have given 24 star questions. Now I, being a person who has studied well, assuming the author's name is mentioned as Mary or MARG by mistake, I will know that this is that, and I would have got it.
Okay, I recorded.
Somebody has
That's exactly the argument I have recorded.
Yes.
Therefore, that causes prejudice to the candidate. Therefore,
And I can point out more such spelling errors.
24 questions are. Therefore, what I say is, you close this agency and let the disciplinary authority himself can frame the question and conduct the examination. Close. Send everybody on deputation to the SK. Let them do some work. They are all sitting idle. Then that is the thing. Therefore, that is why. That is why we will not go into the correctness or otherwise of the questions. Therefore, what is the procedure followed by you? Which teacher? Therefore, in detail, let them find it.
Yes.
That is the thing. Therefore, why something called a teachers recruitment board? Their only duty is to frame questions and conduct the examination. If they are not doing, I will say that the disciplinary authority himself can conduct their own examinations. Through any university, any college will do a better job. What is this?
Item number 2 in the second list, that is with respect to backlog vacancies in the subject geography. But that is a separate issue connected to the that alone you're not Yes, 2 alone I'll argue. The 2 your lordships will see.
அவ்வளோதான். என்ன சொல்லிட்டாங்கன்னா, டிஆர்பி போர்டு வந்து கொஷினை ஃப்ரேம் பண்ணி எடுத்து கொடுக்கறது தான் டிஆர்பி போர்டு. நீங்கள் அந்த போர்டையை கழிச்சிட்டு வேறு ஏதாவது வேலைக்கு போ, நான் வேறு ஆளை வச்சு பார்த்துக்கிறேன்ட்டான்.